And
Okay,
hey guys, so nandito na ako with Zephanie Molina,
I'm with Josh Taylor.
the good guy
Wait.
in real life.
Wait.
So wait, ano nga yung question? Your question is
Like
what's your dream scene?
here in Maka.
Sige, here in Maka.
Ba?
Yung honest
Okay, wait. Mahirap yan. Mahirap. Ang dami kasi feeling ko we can do anything.
That's true, huh? Very versatile, isn't it?
Dream scene out of town ng Maka Barkada. Like all of us would like go on a field trip.
Yeah.
And then that would be fun.
That would be very fun.
Baka
actually.
naman Maka Prod.
Sana. Guys,
Diba? Imagine
sana
that.
matry po natin.
Like an episode na meron tayong educational trip lang somewhere.
Yeah.
And then it's all gonna be fun, pero meron pa rin mga pagiging problem along the way.
That's very
I
interesting.
can imagine. That's actually,
Yeah, that would be nice.
Ikaw.
Very different akin eh. Siguro, here's sa Maka. Siyempre yung mabait naman si Josh Taylor. I wanna be, a sweet guy.
Impossible.
That's not impossible. Guys, susi Ano ninyo lang, iiba si Josh Taylor feeling ko. Yeah, siguro when Josh Taylor's, a nice guy, finally. Para mas fit sa kung sino talaga ako.
Wow!
Para hindi na mahirap.
Okay,
So yun.
That's new.
That's new. Alright, so the second question is, what would you want to experience in prom? Ako never ako nagkaroon ng date sa
Never
prom
ka pa
actually.
nag-date sa prom.
I've had a prom, pero kasama ko mga
So
friends.
what's your ano na lang? Like, most memorable moment?
Sa prom?
Yeah.
Most memorable moment na sabi ko before yung, it was in the UK. Kami magtutropa na sa car kami, tapos, sabay-sabay kami bumaba na, alam mo katang Caroline? You're the fan.
I think so. I think I've heard it.
Tapos naka-max volume. Siguro yun.
Eh,
Kasi that's
I
the
can
only
imagine
experience
it.
I had. Yeah, it was cool.
Sa front door, like, sa parang entrance.
May driver kami nun eh.
Wow!
So, I was at the front. Sabay-sabay kami bumaba. Staying kami, na-shade pa.
May slow-mo yung imagine.
May slow-mo.
Okay.
Yeah. That was
That's
good
cool.
fun.
But you've never had a date.
I've actually never had a date sa prom.
Why? That's a question. Why?
I don't know. Wala pa yung right one.
Wow!
Yeah, siguro, no, I just...
see.
Yeah. Ikaw ba? You've had a date sa prom?
Well, it's not. Because yung mga naging prom ko before, parang super casual lang yan. Na wala yung... walang proposal. So it's like, okay, you're going to the prom, I'm going to the prom, and then, yun na.
So like, close friends mo lang? Or may parang mutual
Like,
feeling?
I've had a crush before na nasa prom din siya.
Ano pangalan niya?
Shout out kay...
Nilabas ka agad. Okay.
No, but ano lang, ganon. So, I've never really experienced the parang formal na prom na, can you be my date to the prom, blah, blah, blah. But I would love to. But at the same time, I mean, I would love to kasi parang it's part of our teenage years.
Yeah.
Pero, I
Gusto
think it
mo
was all fun.
Gusto mo ba with friends sa prom or with a date?
Since hindi naman once, isa lang bang prom?
Normally,
No
yeah.
naman, diba?
No. Usually once naman prom. Pero if you get invited, that's a different story.
I guess it's fun to be with your friends. Kasi for me, like, it's something na mababalikan mo pa eh. Unlike if yung tao na ka-date mo, wala na sa life mo pa.
Oh, malungkot.
You know?
That's true.
It still depends on the person.
Okay, that's a good answer.
Ang seryoso ng sagot.
But yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you.
Bye!
Ikaw nag-bye. Bye-bye.
No, end mo na.
End mo na, okay lang. Sige, you can end it. I never end, calls. Fun fact.
You don't?
I never end calls,
So, lagi, ikaw na mag-end.
Ikaw na mag-end. End mo na.
Ikaw na.
Nahirapan na. Sige, guys. We'll see you soon and...
No, both of us will end it.
Alright,
That's
so bye.
the
Ready?
resolution. 3, 2, 1.
1.
You end it.
I'll end it now.
Okay, no, let's end it. Okay. Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Have a good day.
We're
End mo na.
gonna end it. Yeah.
End natin both. 3, 2, 1.